Hello, are you looking for AI integration or AI application developments? I can help you. My name is asbidyarthy. I have been into the development for more than 12 years. My core expertise are full stack developments, AI driven, ML driven, and data driven applications developments, primarily using vector database, NoSQL database, AI techniques such as LLM, Llama, OpenAI, GPT, and RAG implementations on top of these complex technologies. I can develop chatbots, I can develop real-time assistant for your business, I can develop scalable AI solutions. Let me know a good time to connect and call with you so that I can understand your requirements and I can design and develop solutions for your business that can help you to grow much faster and with the speed in this era of AI. Thank you.